6 in the morning, we're at the Jacksonville Aviation Hangar and gonna go explore some roadless wilderness area to the north. I've been looking at it for a long time and dreaming about seeing what's back there. Yeah, the excitement of discovery is strong right now. My thought too was to circle Youts Peak and Thoroughfare Mountain. That's the peak right there. So I mean, you could access between the two peaks here, Youts and this is Thoroughfare. So that's like right in the middle. It's one of those things you look at a map and you're like, yeah, this looks like a great place.
Well, I guess we'll go find out.
Yeah, I know, this is what we do. You know, going into this trip, I just would picture wandering slowly through this vast open landscape, you know, this walking meditation, you know, this sense of infinite time and space.
See the headwaters of the Yellowstone River right ahead of us. Look at the skate park. Oh my God. Believe it. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Unbelievable. That's all morning light. Holy. I'm freaking on that. Yeah, you are. That's Goochland right there. Oh, man. Look at these spines, dude. I know. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this is worthy objectives right here. This is awesome.
Yeah, I really like these lines in here.
I love this valley, yeah.
There's like, yeah, mini spine stuff.
I know. These are like short skins, a lot of payoff.
You can't even tell the stuff's there, and then all of a sudden there's a massive line below you.
It's insane how big it is back there. The ice falls and the
Those
spines,
tubes are like, those are probably a couple grand.
Oh, easily.
Those tubes?
Well, that's the
Like
thing, it was
natural half
deceiving
pipes?
because I was like, this doesn't look that big, and then I was like, wait, how big would a
Once we're-
person be on top of that? And I was just like, holy shit.
It's a lofty endeavor.
Mind blown?
It's completely blown. It's like, it's so much more than I expected.